Hi everyone, good morning. This is Carlo. So just a quick skills and technical training for this morning. Let's learn how to create your travel page. So click nyo lang po itong menu sa inyong Facebook page or sa inyong Facebook account and then look for pages. After that, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is hanapin itong create, yung plus sign dito sa itaas and then click. And mayroon pa kayong pagpipilian na new profile or page. So just click public page. Click next. And then pwede niyo pong ilagay kung ano po yung name ng travel agency na gusto niyo. Can be followed after your name or can create an amazing or unique name for your travel page. And then click next. Maproproceed po kayo sa category kung anong travel agency or kung anong category na bibilong yung gagawin ninyong page and then click create. So usually po kapag travel agency or travel business, nilalagay lang po natin is travel company. So the best description or bio that could describe your page is to promote your products and services. Dito po tayo mag-post at mag-share ng mga contents. At the same time, yung mga materials natin for our travel business. So, click continue. And then, bio. You can have this filled out later on or pwede naman ngayon. So, let's say for example, you will be creating your travel page. So, yung bio ninyo pwedeng kahit short lang, an affiliate or associate of Global Pinoy Travel and Tours, Global Pinoy Travel and Tours, established in 2012. So, pwede nyo pong dagdagan at pwede nyo pong ilagay din dyan yung we are IATA accredited member of PTAA. So kung hindi na siya allowed to put in pa yung additional info about your bio kasi short lang naman talaga yung bio, pwede din ganyan lang din. And then you can add sa inyong page yung inyong phone number. Let's say for example 7618269 or if not 6G. Okay, so hindi siya pwede. Ayan. Or email and then location, but pwede nyo itong i-fill out or pwede nyo rin balikan. Sorry, update nyo lang and then click next. So, ang next na gagawin is to have your own logo. Let's say, pwedeng ito. No? So, marami kayong pwedeng pag-editan ng inyong travel page logo and then yung profile or display profile, display pic. Ayan. So, pagkatapos niyan, click next. So na you can invite na your friends to like and follow your page. So invite page, click mo select ang 1,000. This is just for example purposes only or for our learning purposes only. Send invites para ma-notify na sila. Ayan. So ayan, next. And then, pwede itong next na ulit. And then, page, yes. And then, done. So, there you have it. Naka-create na kayo ng inyong travel page. So, congratulations. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. And if you want others also to follow and like your page, click nyo lang po itong tatlong dots dito sa ibaba. Dito sa gilid ng advertise. And then, invite people to connect. So, click nyo po yan. And then, ayan, invite. So, Pag invite friends, switch nyo po yan at madadirect kayo sa inyong main profile para makapag-send ulit kayo ng invitation. Now, where to get our postings sa ating gagamitin as materials para sa ating travel business. So, pwede tayong kumuha and we are free to do so dito sa Global Pinoy Travel and Tour page. Sa Global Pinoy Travel and Tours page, which is the official page of the company, nandito na po lahat yung pwede ninyong i-post. So, ang kailangan nyo lang, just copy po ito, yung ating postings, and then download nyo lang ito, save photo, and then, ipopost nyo na po siya doon sa ginawa ninyong page. Ayan. So, ito, click done. Just remember to edit po yung ating phone number para po sa inyo sila ko contact. Sir 9 26718269. Ayan. You can also edit your address na nandito or pwede namang hindi. Ang importante lang, the contact number. So you can also have this can have the album para po sa inyong travel page or mga ipopost. So you can have a unique album name. So let's say for example, Tara na Dito. Ibig sabihin yan ay for local tours. Kapag gusto mo naman ay international, pwedeng ang album name mo ay Tara na Doon. Yeah. So, okay, since this is local travel, so nabilong siya sa Tara na Dito sa album na to. So, you can upload now. Ayan. Ayan na. And you can create your stories out of your postings. Or you can create stories gamit ang inyong na-post. Ayan, para makapag-promote kayo. Now, ano pa? Mga videos also, nandun din makikita yung videos doon sa ating Global Pinoy Travel Tours, or you can simply download it from our official TikTok page. So, Global Pinoy Travel. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, just like, follow, and subscribe yung ating Facebook page and yung ating travel page. Yeah. So, meron dito mga videos na pwede na at saka readily available na. Let's say, for example, ito, gagawin nyo lang is i-download to. Click itong share. Makikita kayo download or save photo. Tapos hintayin nyo lang siya ma-download ng 100% para kayo ay ayun, since
Tinago Falls is a water.
Balik tayo doon sa Facebook page na ginawa ninyo. Then you can have it on your stories, or pwede rin siyang sa inyong Facebook wall. So, since this is local, so, tara na dito, local tours. So, yun lamang, ganun lang ka-simple at ganun lang kadali gumawa ng yung travel page. And meron na tayong 7 followers in just few minutes of making our travel page. So, konting learnings lang for today and see you sa ating mga trainings pa.